Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got my pet to level 50 fast and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already joined the grow a garden game and I'm going to show you tips and tricks to get your pet to level 50 fast. Okay, there are some methods that you can try guys. The first one, you can use item from the gear shop. Wait, let me go to the gear shop, and then you can use the medium toy. It can boost your pet XP, and you can also use this medium treat. Okay, and this one, the level up lollipop, it can increase your pet's age by 1. And I'm going to apply all the items to my pet. I'm going to apply the level up lollipop. Okay, this one. I got this level up lollipop from the safari tour. I'm going to apply it to my, wait. Okay, my zebra. My zebra now in age 20, and I'm going to increase the age. Oops, like this. And let's see. Okay, as you can see that now my zebra is at level 21. Okay, and you can use this level up lollipop to get your pet to level 50 fast. And you can also use this item. I'm using this item to boost my pet guys. This one, the pet incubator. So you can put your pet on in this incubator and then you can add fuel, and the fuel is from your fruits or your plants, and it can boost your pet age. Anyway, let me apply the other items. The medium pet treat. I'm going to apply it to one of my pet. I'm going to apply it to this giraffe. Okay, and this one can also boost the pet XP. I'm going to apply it to this pet. Oops. Okay. I'm going to apply it to this pet. Yeah, you just need to click on the pad if you want to apply the item. Okay, but the powerful item is this one, the pet incubator. But now I think you won't be able to get this item guys because this item is very limited. I got it from the event, but I forgot what the event is. Okay guys, and that's how I got my pet to level 50 fast in grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.